morning. Today I will be vlogging. I don't have that much schoolwork to do this weekend, so I thought it'd be fun to do a vlog. I've been trying to film more videos, but like I still feel awkward talking to a camera and then having to edit and look at my face for that long. So yeah, let's see if I even end up posting this. I woke up like an hour ago, but I didn't do anything. I think I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna start off by rolling my bangs. I don't know if I should film myself doing my makeup. That's kind of awkward, and I'm not a makeup person, so maybe I'll just cut to when I finish my makeup. I finished my makeup. I didn't really put too much because I'm just gonna be at home anyway. The next thing I wanted to do today was to finish painting my nails, so I did these ones last night. I need to do my other hand still, but yeah, that's what we're going to try to do. So this is what I'm going to try to do on this hand. I don't think I can paint this with my left hand. I don't know if I'll be able to do this, but I'll try. I'm gonna paint these on the clear nails. So what I did yesterday was I painted them on a plastic bag, and then they can peel off and then be like little stickers. I usually do it with nail polish, but I tried to do it with acrylic paint last night because I don't have black nail polish, and it actually worked out. I feel like it's easier to do with nail polish because some of these were really hard to get off, but it still worked. Let's see. I'm scared. See? They stick on. Focus. Oh, I added the little circles on these two, but then I had to freehand this one because I didn't have enough stickers. So after I put the stickers on, make sure to put a top coat. After I finished painting my nails, I wanted to make breakfast, and I saw a lot of people making pancake cereal from TikTok, so I wanted to try to make it myself. Was the final product. I made my pancake cereal. I filmed TikTok while making my pancake cereal. This is my account. That's the TikTok I just made. I was planning on going on Instagram to do a live. I'm doing an Instagram live on my iPad. It looks so ridiculous. Say hi. So I did that thing again where I kind of stopped filming and vlogging throughout the day, but I've just been sitting and watching TikTok, but now I actually have to do some work. I'm just gonna be watching my lecture. I didn't get to record a proper outro for this video. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments what other videos you guys want to see. Now that I'm done with school, I have more time this summer. So yes, bye.